Good afternoon, Kokomo. This is meteorologist James Longworth with Dynamic Weather Agency, LLC. Today, giving you your Kokomo and area forecast for August 24th, 2021. Today is actually the 5-year anniversary of the Great Kokomo tornado outbreak, where my team was able to document 4 of the 5 tornadoes that impacted Howard County on this day. If you'd like to see more pictures and videos from our chase from August 24th, 2016 of the Great Tornado Outbreak, you can visit us online at dynamicweatheragency.com, and you can go to the gallery and find the images there. Taking a look at the current conditions right now in Kokomo, the temperature is 87 degrees, but as we take a look at those humidity values, at 75% with that dew point at 78. Yes, those feels like temperatures right now calculated are at 102 degrees. Those are really warm, muggy conditions. As you can see, the UV index is at an 8, and those southwest winds at 8 miles per hour are continuing to evict that warm, moist air into our area. The current conditions are also some scattered clouds right now, but still some patches of sun moving on in, but increasing cloud cover as we move into the overnight. More on that later on. As we take a look at our almanac, today it's going to be a high of 92 with a low of 71. Our average is 82 with a low of 60. The record is 99 set back in 1948 with a record low of 43 set back in 1987. Not expecting any precipitation today. There is a chance for some very isolated showers and thunderstorms today. You could see a trace amount of precipitation reported, but our departure for normals for this month is around a minus 2.82 inches of rain, and our yearly departure from normal is around 3.5 inches of rain. That sunrise today was at 7:04 a.m. and expect the sun to set at 8:28. Taking a look at the current Doppler radar, you can see conditions are quite clear around the Kokomo and surrounding viewing area. Now, like I said today, partly cloudy conditions, humid with that isolated chance of thunderstorms, high of 92 with a southwest wind of about 10 miles per hour. Again, that sunrise was at 7:04. Tonight, partly cloudy conditions, mild, but it's still going to be rather humid with a low of about 71 degrees with a south wind of 5 miles per hour. That sunset, again, is going to be at 8:28 p.m. Taking a look at our regional forecast today, again, those partly cloudy conditions, isolated thunderstorms, about 20%. You can see those highs today to the west, around 94. You can see Kokomo 92, Carmel 94, Lafayette sitting at 94 today for our highs, Wabash 91, and Muncie at 93. Tonight, partly cloudy conditions, again, lows in the low 70s. Kokomo 71, 72 in Lafayette, 71 in Muncie, and 70 in Wabash. Now, taking a look at our futurecast radar, you can see throughout the rest of this evening into the overnight hours, just some scattered clouds moving on through the area. Conditions are going to remain mostly clear throughout the evening into the overnight and early morning hours of tomorrow. Tomorrow, similar conditions, partly cloudy, humid with a high of 92, southwest wind at 10 miles per hour. Sunrise tomorrow is going to be at 7:05 p.m. Expecting some isolated thunderstorms moving late into the evening. You can see that for tomorrow night. Isolated thunderstorms, mild conditions. Still going to be rather humid though. Low of 71 with a southwest wind at 5 miles per hour. But tomorrow the sunset is going to be a little bit, sooner at 8:26 p.m. Again, I got those isolated thunderstorms in here for tomorrow. We got about a 40% chance they're going to be moving in rather late, as we'll take a look at our futurecast radar here in a little bit. You can see those highs tomorrow in the low 90s. And then again, tomorrow night, isolated thunderstorms with those thunderstorms moving in late. Lows tomorrow again in the low 70s. Taking a look at our futurecast radar for Wednesday, 7 a.m. Wednesday morning. Mostly clear skies, but some partly cloudy conditions is likely into the morning hours, with increasing clouds as we move into the late morning, early afternoons. You can see by noon we can see some increasing cloud coverage by the afternoon hours, even by 1 o'clock. Some of those scattered skies, even broken cloud conditions moving on into the area. But as we move into, I'd say, late afternoon, early to mid-evening, we can see some isolated thunderstorms beginning to develop across parts of our areas. Again, this is a model solution. This is only just a, what the model is thinking. So around 6 o'clock, we could see some isolated showers and thunderstorms moving across areas of our, viewing area. This model is depicting some thunderstorms over in Tippecanoe County near West Lafayette and Lafayette. Even an isolated cell near North Manchester in northern Wabash County. But as we move into the late evening hours, by 8 o'clock, you can see some more widespread convection and scattered thunderstorms and showers beginning to move into the northern and western portions of our viewing area. And this is going to continue to increase in coverage as we move into the late evening into the early overnight hours. You can see as we get closer to about 10 o'clock, some of those widespread showers and thunderstorms beginning to move on into our area, and these are going to continue to push from the northwest to the southeast across our viewing area. As you can see, as we move into about midnight, those scattered showers and thunderstorms are going to continue, and this isn't going to move out until about 4 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. As you can see, this will begin to push on out into the southern and eastern portions of our viewing area. By 6 o'clock in the morning, even 7 o'clock, most of the showers are going to be out of our viewing area. You're going to see some of those clouds begin to retreat from north to south, with some of those scattered to broken cloud conditions still hanging out by the mid to late morning hours before we get into the afternoon on Thursday. Taking a look at our regional drought monitor, we do have some abnormally dry conditions going on right now with this stretch of dry weather that we've been seeing. As we take a look at our WPC day 1 through 3 quantitative precipitation forecast, you can see we can expect to see the northern portions of our viewing area seeing up to a ½ an inch to about 1 1/4 inch of precipitation over the next 3 days, while the southern portions of our county viewing area can see about anywhere from a 1/4 inch to a ½ an inch of precipitation over the next 1 to 3 days. Taking a look at that 7-day forecast today, expecting again those partly cloudy conditions. Tomorrow, isolated thunderstorms with the best possibility of seeing some precipitation tomorrow. Highs again in the low 90s. You can see that stretch into Thursday and Friday. Precipitation chances are just a slight bit lower. Clear conditions for our weekend, highs in the 90s, but as we move into next week, we can see a slight cool down, but a return of precipitation on Monday, 40% chance isolated thunderstorms, but highs in the mid 80s. Again, please share your pictures and videos with us here at Dynamic Weather Agency. We love to share them on our page. Thank you for checking out today's video. If you haven't already, be sure to like and share this page with your friends and family if you'd like to see more weather content like this. Be sure to also check us out online at dynamicweatheragency.com. There's more weather related information and content on over there. And like I said, you can find that August 24th, 2016 Kokomo tornado pictures and videos on over there on our website. And if you'd like to help support this page or our YouTube channel, we do have a Patreon page where you can go over there and you can submit donations so I can continue to make weather-related content like this and these forecasts for you guys.